Hello everyone, I am Hema Sree Nunna from CSE department. Today I'll explain the topic one-dimensional arrays in C language, including what arrays are, how to declare, initialize, and access their elements. What is an array? An array is simply a collection of elements that are all of the same data type. Instead of creating many separate variables, we can store multiple values together using one variable. Arrays are needed when we want to store large amounts of similar data like marks of students or salaries of employees. They help simplify our program and make it easier to process data using loops. Syntax for declaration of an array. To declare an array, we mention the data type, the name of the array, and its size in square brackets, which is nothing but the index. For example, in this example, integer is a data type, marks is the variable name of the array, and 5 is the index. Creates an array that can hold 5 integer values. Initialization. We can initialize an array either while declaring it or later by assigning values to each index separately. Here, each element is stored at a specific position starting from index 0. An index always starts from 0. Accessing elements. We can access any element in the array using its index number. In this example, numbers index 0 prints the first element of an array, which is 10. As we said, an index always starts from 0, so the 0 index is the first element. This is the example program. Let us first observe this example. This example shows how we can use a loop to print all elements of an array. The for loop starts from index 0 and runs till 4, printing each value one by one. And I think we observe the array which is assigning values for five index values. Advantages of arrays. Arrays make programming simpler by allowing us to handle large data sets easily. They also save memory, reduce code repetition, and improve efficiency. Limitations of array. They are fixed size. We cannot change the index while at runtime, and it only stores same data type. Like it can store only integer data type at once and float data type at once and or double data type at once. So it cannot store both at the same time. And it is inefficient for dynamic data too. And the summary. Arrays store multiple elements of same type. I think we understood that before. And index starts from 0. This is the main key point which we all forgot while coding. And access using array name index. This is the main syntax which we cannot forget anytime. And yeah, an array is fixed size but efficient for static data storage and not dynamic data. I think we all covered the main topics and main key points of this array concept. So yeah.